Hey guys, how's it going? So this is my room here in Osin, if I'm saying that right, Montenegro, in southern Montenegro near the Albanian border. And as you can see, I have a private room here. Nice comfy double bed, couch, fan, no AC, but you don't need it. This room stays nice and cool, I'm sure in part because of this covered area with the kiwis or whatever those fruits are. It has Wi-Fi inside the room here. Also, it has a private bathroom with a shower, hot water, and a little kitchen area here with a fridge. So everything you need, and the price for this room was just 51 euros, and that is for 3 nights. 17 euros per night for a great private room. So Montenegro is definitely nice and cheap. They use the euro here in Montenegro as their currency throughout the country, and so 17 euros per night is about $20 per night. The euro and the US dollar are pretty close. And so the place here is called Bisha Apartments, and I found it on booking.com. It is basically just a residence, like a guest house kind of, and then they have a couple of rooms for rent here. Now, this room is a ways from the beach at Osin here. Osin is a beach destination, but it is, you know, smaller and less touristy and crowded than Budva, for example. The beach is out there a ways, about a kilometer, just other side of that little hill over there. I will be walking in that direction soon, showing you the beach and also going to the old town of Osin here, which is like other side of this hill here. And so I'm just going to walk out of here and walk around and show you a little taste of Montenegro and how much things cost. And so here's the other room that I presume is for rent. Similar. Looks like they gave me the slightly larger one. All right, now just a walk down these little lanes here. This is definitely the real Montenegro, and it is very nice and pleasant. Definitely has that Mediterranean vibe. A local market there. And you can see the signs here, Osin to the right. And I don't know what some of these other things are. Sahat Kula, Shamia Ilamet, and there goes the Muslim call to prayer. I'm not the only one filming. And here it says Stari Grad to the right. That means Old City. If you go down that way, then it will go directly to the beach and all the restaurants and everything, which I will go to later. And so right down there is the beach and a line of restaurants that goes along it. It is super crowded, however, totally chock full of umbrellas and whatnot. And then here are the stairs that go down that way. Okay, there's the old city. I thought it was going to be like along this road here. So I got to get over there somehow. Maybe I have to go down to the beach and then walk around that way. Okay, I think I'm headed down those stairs. And so this is the wall of the old city, and I'm here with Carolina or Katerina? Katerina. Yeah. Who we were both up on that same street up there trying to get down here and ended up walking down here. Katerina from Germany.
Right, yeah.
Yeah. And so I guess we're just walking into the old city here. Looks like it doesn't cost anything. We don't really know what we're gonna see in here yet, but yeah, exactly. what she said. But it looks really cool, wow.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, and there's restaurants here and place to get your water.
Oh, that is so nice.
I know. And I guess people actually still live here too, seems like.
Yeah.
So a salad, just €2. Dessert, $3.50. 30 euros for a sea bass.
It's per kilo, 30 euros a kilo.
I see. Cevapi is just 650 euros. That's like a local Balkan dish. Yeah. Veal with vegetables, 850. Veal steak, 1250. Yeah. And in case you're curious, parking costs €3 for 12 hours, €5 for 24 hours. I'm headed back to the main beach here. Katerina was planning to stay a bit longer on the beach that we were at there. I wanted to get going and keep doing this video. I might see her later down here or something, but otherwise we are both going to the same town in Albania tomorrow, so might cross paths again with her one way or another. And so this is the main road that goes from where I'm staying and the center of town down to the beach and all of these touristy restaurants and shops and things. And then the main beach is just up ahead. And so there's the old town that we were at. And here's the main beach that gets super crowded. Mellow right now because it's after sunset. And then lots of restaurants to pick from here. So here a soup is only €2.50, €2 for a salad, mussels for just €5, tuna steak only €8, 7 for a veal steak, 9 for a ribeye steak, $4.50 for a chicken fillet. I mean, just really, really cheap. $3.50 for pasta. And that's right here with a nice view of the beach and the bay. Ice cream, just 50 cents. €2 for a milkshake, $2.50 for a banana split, $2.50 or $3.50 for a pizza, lasagna, only €4. Steak, $7.50. Filet mignon, €12. Fish plate, $5.50. Just so cheap, man. Sandwich for €1.50. And so this dish is called muskaliska, which I know I'm not saying exactly right, but something like that. Looks really good. It is a meat dish with vegetables, and it looks like feta cheese on the side. And it comes with the boiled potatoes. How do you say this one again? It's
Muchkalica.
Muchkalichka. Cool. I'm making a video, so yeah, cool. And with some bread there, and it is just €8. Awesome deal. scene here on a Sunday night. Interesting contrast with the whole tourist, mania going on here and the Muslim muezzin call to prayer going on at the same time. Really tasty dish here. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a good little taste of Montenegro and how expensive it is. Take it easy.